Okay, so I'll be going over my API routes on my assignment 1. First, I'll be going over the GET request. So this will fetch 10 Pokemons after 10 Pokemons. And then the next one, when it's missing the count and after request query. So sorry, this is not the. Okay, so if I remove these parameters, it should return an error. And then the next one is when count or after request parameter is invalid. So let's try 1000. And it's returning error. And then the next one, we can get a valid Pokemon data. So in this case, for example, I'll get the first one. Yep. And then the next one, when Pokemon is not found. So obviously I haven't made any Pokemon. So if I pass in ID 1000, it should. Oh, apparently there is something in there. Let's delete first. Yep, it's successfully deleted. And right now I should be able to get an error here because ID 1000 is not found. Then the next one is getting a Pokemon with improper key. Improper key is to get Pokemon. Proper key used to get a Pokemon. Oh, yes. Proper ID. Then the next one is posting a Pokemon. Oh, here for this one. And then for posting a Pokemon, let's try. First, let's delete the 1000 Pokemon first. Or yeah, it doesn't exist. Yeah, success. And then with improper data. So for example, if I change, yeah, with these, maybe I should change to 1001. Error, because this is longer than 20 characters. Then we can try duplicate a Pokemon. So currently Pokemon 1000 already exists. Oh, I think this is a delete. Okay. So let's try doing this twice. First one should success. Second one should return error because 1000 already exists. And then we can try deleting. And then an unexisting Pokemon. So let's try 2000. Okay. Yep, 2000 does not exist. And then the next one we can try updating a Pokemon. So in this example, I'll update the 1000. No, 1000 doesn't exist. So let's create one. Then here we have 60, 20, 55. And it should update 60, 20, 55 as well. And the next one is when a validation error. So sorry, not this one. Pokemon validation. So this should be in a string, should be number. And the return is client error. One or more properties may be invalid. And then we can try updating a Pokemon that does not exist yet. So in this case, 1000 does not exist. Then next we can try patching a Pokemon. So in this case, we only update base with these values. And should return that. And if we get these Pokemon ID, it should not overwrite the other. The other data is still in here. And then last one, we have Pokemon not found for patch. So in here, I'm trying to patch 1,000 Pokemon, but 2,000 obviously does not exist. And then for improper routes, it should send the status 404 that the route is not found.